Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about the charts. Right now we're seeing a little dip in the market. A couple of coins are on sale. I want to talk to you guys a little bit about a coin that the group is really getting hyped up on, and a lot of the coins that I've already talked about. So right now I could feel that there's a lot of FOMO going on in the market, and I want to remind people not to FOMO. You have to put a sign, something, write it down. Do not FOMO. You shouldn't be going out there and just aping into every coin that anybody shouts out. Now, that's how you could lose money in a quick way. So if you're excited about that, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and let's just get right into it. So first things first, Bitcoin 53 and 56. That's what we at today. Looking at the chart, first looking at this Bitcoin prediction chart, we are coming down. I was thinking, hey, we might come down around this bar because it's showing that we might come down in this little prediction thing, and it's been following it, and it's been doing that pretty crazy. Looking at another chart that I have of Bitcoin right here, we are coming up in this triangle on the daily chart. This is what I was actually looking at on the 4-hour chart, and I'm hoping that Bitcoin could hold up these levels. It's actually more like this. So this blue line and this, I'll make it blue so you can see it. This blue line here is kind of the triangle that I'm thinking that we might be in for Bitcoin. Let me just get rid of some of this stuff so you guys can notice this better. And yeah, so this blue line right here is kind of where we're at for Bitcoin. This longer blue line that I have set right here is just the support that we've been having since it started popping off in December of last year. It's been like coming up and tapping this line all crazy. But in this triangle right here, it should end, you know, before the end of March 21st. If it goes up, pretty great. If it goes down, it's going to show all those lines that I just erased as support. 51, 48. And for me, it's just like, hey, long as we're above 43, 42, I'm still okay with Bitcoin. Seeing the TDI take a nice spike up is also good. Looking at the Bitcoin dominance, so it's not really doing anything. We're having resistance on this line, and that is also showing up on the total too. We're still at that resistance level, trying to get above it. If you go to the market though, a lot of coins are on sale, and right now OMI is on sale. So a lot of people mistook what I said when I said, hey, you missed out on a lot of the OMI gains, and like, yeah, it's because I've been talking about it for so long. I've been in it for so long, but I don't think that it's done. Don't get me wrong, it is not done. So going to Twitter, I'm still very bullish on OMI, and here's a little thing that was made by this, but Akon is casually fueling on LinkedIn saying you ain't seen nothing yet, but look at this. We're here, we got Uniswap, all this stuff coming, Fast and the Furious, Wonder Woman, is that Wonder Woman? I think that's Wonder Woman, Superman, and you know what, VV Collectibles co-signed it, so it's looking great. Pack your bags, we are still having enough room to go up. Now I changed my thoughts a little bit on where I think OMI could get to. I think you guys might be excited about that if you're an OMI holder, because I think now that OMI could probably reach theta. Now shout out to my boy DJ Straps Kyle, you know what I mean, he got into theta at a pretty good price, and yesterday had a nice little celebration because he got into theta at cents and it hit $13 today. So I know he's gigging on top of a mountain right now. And the dope thing about theta is that, you know, all the tokens are in circulation, so anything that goes into the market cap goes into the price. That is cool, but it's already up pretty amazing, so I feel like I missed the boat, even though he told me about it at around $6. But seeing that this is at 13 million right now, I think OMI can get that. You know what I'm saying? I think it could get, you know, close to theta. I'm not saying anything's for certain, but you know, that's my conviction of it. You know, so whatever that price action shows with that. Now the burns are going to be updated soon. We'll see how many more coins were burned from the buys and the sells on the app of OMI. Looking at the chart, it is on sale. It's been coming down since it hit its all-time high of about 1 cent. And it came down, but looking on here, it got back below. This is, let me go to the 4-hour. So we had a cross right here on this higher moving averages crossing over lower moving averages, price go down. And that's exactly what happened right here. So a lot of people say, well, it's still going to go up, it's still going to move, and why do you look at the look? Markets go in cycles, and it's not going to go straight up, and we want it to go in cycles if we want it to be a healthy market and a healthy coin. So if we are holding OMI, we want to see healthy price action, we want to see healthy growth, you know, and stuff like that. But I'm still liking that project. So let's take a look at ICSI, because I talked about ICSI on the channel and I know some people got into it. And I also think that I also hear that ICSI is a nice competitor to Theta. I haven't had that conviction yet, but hey, look, the price is going up pretty nicely. And you know, it's still not on any exchanges that are, you know, available for a lot of people. So I'm still looking at ICSI and I'm still looking at OMI. Coin that I wanted to talk about was Capacity. Now Capacity is up 40% today, and we don't know what the market cap is, and I like the coin because of the product that it offers. And it is Capacity's easy scalable platform for creating and embedding AR content. Now come do your research on Capacity. You guys are not doing your research. Somebody asked me where could they buy the Total 2 at. You guys are not doing your research. You have to do your research. That is the quickest way you can lose money in this thing. I talk about a lot of coins on this channel and not all of them pop off. Keep that in mind. I have my low cap gem list, and that's what I do. I find a coin that I like and I will keep looking at it. Sometimes I'll miss the pump because I haven't actually put money into it yet until I'm done with all my research. Oh, I like the product. Where does the token fit into it? Always know where the token fits into the product. Look at the price, look at the tokenomics, etc. Back to Capacity. What they do is AR and VR for like stuff like stores. They have pretty cool demonstrations on YouTube of their products. So here's a preview of the product. You basically, you set the laptop down in a well-lit space, take a picture of it on the app, walk around, and then you have your 3D model that you can throw on your store or put online and do stuff like that. So this is a pretty cool product, and what I like about it is that it's working. So can't nobody tell me, hey, what if it's a scam and stuff like that. At least for me, I can see if I go up here, they got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products that I can do. They got, and this one right here really kind of impressed me, which was this virtual try-on, which was something that I was excited about, and I thought it was going to be built on Luxo, but it's here built on Capacity, and you can already get the demo. So that's pretty cool. You could download the 3D scan app right now on Windows or the Mac store. You could download the 3D app for businesses, which allows you to make these 3D models. Yeah, those are cool. Looking at the price, right now it is up. Everybody's gonna tell me, Jay, it's up 1300% though. But if I go to the max, yeah. Hope you guys liked the video. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Now the Telegram group is closed for now. I'm trying to figure out a way to make the chat pretty clean and not as muddy. A lot of people are just in there saying, hey, what do I buy? What do I buy? And I don't really like that. I like people to, hey, people are shouting out good coins. Go do your research. Let us know why you think it sucks. Let us know why you think it's good. Let us know if you find something that we don't find. We want hardworking people in the group, not just people who are going to come in there and start shilling coins and hoping to do stuff like that. I'm thinking about implementing a fee, but I also want to implement some type of way where we can have, you know, pretty nice discussions without having too many different groups and stuff like that. So if you have any ideas and you're in a group, let me know. What else? Yeah, so have a good day. You know, it's Monday. It is what it is. Yeah, like and subscribe, turn on post notifications. Till next time, peace.